Guys, hello. Yeah, hi. Check on this. Yes. It's disgusting. Another bird just comes up, flying over my fence, and then it just ate the head off that baby bird. And then it just dropped it on purpose here. I don't think I can eat anymore. Yeah, that's wrong. It ate the head. Y'all wouldn't believe that. Yes, and it's crazy as wow. And I think in the next, if I can get over 5, so I can get 30,000. If I can get 30 likes on my vids, I'll do. Let's be fair, a face reveal. But right now it's a skin reveal. Gender, female. And last but not least, location, aka country, continent, Africa, on the southern part of South Africa. Yes. Now bye y'all.